So I have a TikTok account with 295,000 followers, and in just the past 60 days, it's made almost $4,000 in revenue. But it wasn't always like this. When I started, I actually had, believe it or not, 0 followers, and I was probably in exactly the same position that you are right now watching this video. So I wanted to go through a complete guide of what it should look like if you want to make your first $1,000 on TikTok, and this works even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. So let's get right into the video. Now, actually, if I was approaching this now in 2026, I would actually lock into TikTok Shop because that seems to be a generational opportunity right now. But I'm still going to be showing you as a content creator and the way that I did it, how you can make money from TikTok, because I didn't post any TikTok Shop videos, and still I grew from scratch to be able to start making money from just the views that I got on TikTok. So just so you guys know how it actually works, on TikTok, if you have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days, you will be able to make money from any videos that you post that are over 1 minute long. And in case you're wondering, just to have all these stats prepared, I actually have a social media monetization cheat sheet, which by the time this video is going out, hopefully will have fully shipped out to you guys. So I'll leave the link to it in the description so you can pick up your own as well. But basically, yeah, on TikTok, these are the only requirements that you have to meet to actually get monetized. So the goal should be getting these requirements as soon as possible. Now, the only requirement on here that's actually difficult is getting to 10,000 followers. Because if you get to 10,000 followers, you almost certainly would have had to get at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days. So you don't even really have to worry about this one, because as long as you hit this one, you'll make money. Another thing to note is that none of the videos you post prior to getting monetized can then be retroactively monetized. So it doesn't really matter how long the videos you post are before you're monetized. As long as the videos that you post after you're monetized are over 1 minute, you can make money. So step 1 to the goal is going to be trying to get at least 10,000 followers. And we do this by first posting a lot of videos. I just want to show you guys how long it took me before I actually got my first viral video. I was posting regularly, just consistently every single day, trying to get my first 10,000 followers on TikTok to get monetized. And it took me, all the way down to here where I got 2.4 million views on a video. And that's when I was like, okay, wow, I can actually get monetized on TikTok. And I think this single video right here, a 2.4 million view video, took me from like 0 to probably like 5,000 followers almost instantly. And if I click on this, you guys can actually see here that I did a little bit of rage baiting to try to get people to follow me. Like I just juggled in the video and then I said, imagine if the algorithm awarded talent. And then basically rage baiting people into actually leaving a like and then even following me from this video. But your niche will always depend and change, but still you want to try to post things that actually engage people to try to follow along your journey or be with you on your journey. One thing I did as well before this, which actually worked quite well, is day 4 of juggling until Yeet invites me to be in one of his music videos. And I kept posting things like this. People would tag him in the comments and then follow me to watch along the journey and see if he ever actually DM'd me. And yeah, that's how I actually started growing and gaining followers on TikTok. So those are ways that no matter what niche you're in, you can still be like day 1 of doing XYZ thing until I achieve XYZ result. And overall, people are gonna follow along for the journey if you do it for long enough. So yeah, posting a lot of videos and then follow farming is gonna be the majority of the beginning of the journey. After this, then it's gonna be about posting engaging 1 minute videos. And this has been the game for me ever since I got monetized on TikTok. You can see now I pretty much only post videos that are over 1 minute long or just exactly at 1 minute. And that's because I'm able to make a good amount of money from TikTok just for these videos that I actually post. And on the videos that pop off and get a lot of views, like for example, this one right here with 500K, or this one with 500K, or some of these with 1 million, 100,000, or 300,000, or 1.6 million, 500K. The point is, when I get videos that pop off like this makes me a really good amount of money. You can see in just the past 60 days, it's been around $4,000. And I know that's not like a lot of money, but you got to put that in perspective to what I'm actually doing. These videos take me a couple minutes to record and then like $10 or $20 a video to have them edited. And so this means I could realistically work like 1 to 2 hours a week and make thousands of dollars every single month, which really is great compared to most jobs. So yeah, that's basically the goal. You go here. And not to mention, there's also ways to make money across other platforms. So just to show you on my YouTube channel, if I just check the past 90 days here, this has also made me an extra $5,000. So effectively, I'm able to make a full-time monthly salary from 1 to 2 hours a week of making videos and posting them on the internet. And that's how I'm also able to post videos like this on a different channel. And so one of the keys is making sure you not only post on TikTok, but realistically on every single platform. And to do that, I actually use something called Repurpose. I'll leave the link to this in the description. It's 100% free to start. And basically with Repurpose, it allows you to set up automations between social media platforms. So I manually post to Instagram every single day, but these videos get automatically reposted to every single other platform. So TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, all of these are platforms that I make money from, but I don't have to manually post them every single time. So while you're on your journey trying to get your first $1,000 on TikTok, you can also post to other platforms like Instagram or Snapchat to make money with it as well. So I hope this video actually shows you that this is possible and how you should go about approaching this, posting a lot of videos, making sure you're kind of follow farming and trying to build a community around whatever you're doing. And then as you get monetized, actually getting engaging 1-minute videos up to make money with TikTok. And while that's going on, post all your stuff across every single platform using Repurpose so you can get monetized and make money from all of these platforms instead of just one. And you don't have to restart from scratch to try to hit the threshold on these platforms. With that being said, our mission with this channel is to help you guys grow and make money with social media. So if we delivered on that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.